given APs are 63, 67 and so on. This is our first AP, and second AP is 3, 10, 17 and so on. So, and what is given? Its nth term. Let an is its nth term and bn is its nth term. An is equal to bn is given. We have to find the value of n. This is given condition. ये given condition है. And what we have to find? We have to find the value of n. n की value find out करेंगे. So let A and D be the first term and common difference of first AP. भाई फर्स्ट एपी की फर्स्ट टर्म हमने क्या ले ली 63 और कॉमन डिफरेंस को हमने रिप्रेजेंट किया d से. देन a is equal to 63 and d is equal to 65 minus 63 means 2. So from here we get the value of a and d. Now let us consider, let b and p, suppose I am taking p, be the first term and common difference of second AP. Then from here b is equal to 3 and this common difference p will equal to 10 minus 3 means 7. Now what is given? an is equal to bn. This is given. So what we will do? We will find an. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So from here a is equal to 63 plus a n, we have to find n minus 1 into d. d means 2. So on solving 63 plus 2n minus 2n, 63 minus 2 means plus 61. That it is equation number 1. Now for second AP, this bn is equal to b plus n minus 1 into p, because here p is common difference. Now what is the value of b? 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So 3 plus 7n minus 7 and 7n plus 3 minus 7 means minus 4. And this is the value of bn. This is equation number 2. Now what is given? Because an is equal to bn. So 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. What we will write from equations first and second, because these are the value of an and bn. Now 2n, this plus 7 will become minus 7 and minus 4 plus 61 will become minus 61. But we will get minus 5 and from here minus 65, minus minus cancel out, n is equal to 65 by 5, n is equal to 30. Means for n is equal to 13, an will equal to bn. This is our question number 15. I am repeating this, dear students. What is given? For what value of n? We have to find the value of n. The nth term of two APs. Two APs are given, and first AP is 63, 65, 67 and so on. And second AP is 3, 10, 17 and so on. And it is given that their nth term is equal. उनकी जो nth term है वो क्या है? Equal है. So what we will do? We will find their nth term. Let a and d be the first term and common difference of first AP. So a is equal to 63 and d is equal to 65 minus 63 means 2. Then an is will equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 63 plus n minus 1 into d. We will put the value of A and D. 63 and 2 on solving this we are getting 2n plus 61. So now Bn. Bn is equal to B plus n minus 1 into P. B is 3 plus n minus 1. P is 7. 3 plus 7n minus 7 means 7n minus 4. And we know that An is equal to Bn. So on solving it we will get n is equal to 13. And this for 13 terms means for n is equal to 13, their nth term of 2 APs is equal means An is equal to Bn. And this is our question number 15. Now question number 16. What is given in question number 16? Determine the AP. We have to find the AP whose third term means third term we represent third term by A3 and whose third term is 16 means A3 is equal to 16 and the seventh exceeds the means seventh term exceeds means ज़्यादा होना means we can subtract which term exceeds the fifth term means we can subtract A5 from A7. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. A3 is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. This is given. Now we have to find the AP. So let's see. A3 will equal to A plus 2D and it is equal to 16. Let it is equation number 1. A7. How we will write A7? A7 is equal to A plus 6D and minus A5. A5 will equal to A plus 4D and this is equal to 12. Now on solving what we will get? A plus 6D minus A minus plus minus 4D and it is equal to 12. A minus A cancel out. 6D minus 4D 2D and this 2D is equal to 12. D will equal to 12 divided by 2 means D is equal to 6. So from here we get the value of D. Now we will put the value of D in equation first. Putting the value of D in equation first. What we will get? A plus 2 into D is 6 is equal to 12. A plus 2 6 are 12 and it is equal to 16. A will equal to 16. This plus 12 will become minus 12 here. A is equal to 4. So from here we get the value of first term. Now for AP we require A1 is equal to 4. A2 is equal to A plus D means 4 plus 6 and it is equal to 10. A3 is equal to 16 is given. A4 will equal to A plus 3D and A is 4 plus 3 into D is 6. 4 plus 6 3s are 18 means 22. Now AP 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. This is our question number 16. I am repeating this question. What is given? Determine the AP. We have to find the AP. Whose third term is 16 means A3 is 16 and seventh term exceeds its fifth term by 12 means A7 minus A5 is equal to 12. So using these conditions form equations. A3 will equal to A plus 2D and A plus 2D is equal to 16. Let it is equation number first. Now A7, A plus 6D minus A5 means A plus 4D and it is equal to 12. So from here we get D is equal to 6. Now for finding the value of A, we will put this value of D in equation number 1. So A, putting the value of D in equation first, we will get A plus 2 into D means 2 6 are 12 is equal to 16 and A will equal to 16 this plus 2 will become minus 2. So from here we will get the value of A, and A is equal to 4. Now we have to form AP. A1 is equal to A. So A1 is equal to 4. A2 will equal to A plus D, means 4 plus 6, 10. A3 is equal to 16. It is given. A4, A plus 3D means 4 plus 3 into 6. 4 plus 18 means 22. So our AP will be A1 means 4. A2 10, A3 16, A4 22, and so on. This is our AP and our question number 16. Students, now question number 17. What is asked in question number 17? Find the 20th term. हमें 20th term find out करनी है. From last term, this is new concept that we have to find the 20th term from last term, means इस time हम reverse direction में चलेंगे. And our AP is 3, 8, 13 and last term is 253. So I am explaining the statement first. We don't know about the number of terms we are having this AP, and we have to find the 20th term from last. 820 from last. So for doing this question there are two methods. सबसे पहले डियर स्टूडेंट्स हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कितनी है. अगर हमें नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स पता होगा तभी तो हम 20th टर्म लास्ट से फाइंड आउट कर पाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट A is equal to 3, D is equal to 8 minus 3 means 5, and what is given? AN is equal to 253. So we will use same formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, and this AN is equal to 253. A is equal to 3, N minus 1, D means 5. So from here we will get the value of N. After getting the value of N, we can count how many number of terms are there, and we will find which term will be 20th term from last. Suppose यहाँ पर हमारी 65 टर्म मिलती हैं, 65 और हमें लास्ट से 20th टर्म चाहिए, तो 65 में से 20th सब्ट्रैक्ट करके 1 ऐड करके हम 20th टर्म निकाल सकते हैं. So let's see number of terms first. How many number of terms are there? After this we will proceed our question. Now 253 is equal to 3 plus 5 into n 5n minus 1 into 5 minus 5. 253 is equal to 5n minus plus 3 minus 5. We will get minus 2. Then we will bring this minus to this side. 253 plus 2 is equal to 5n. 255 is equal to 5n. So from here n is equal to 255 divided by 5 means 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. N is equal to 51. So total number of terms are 51. Now which term will be 20th from last? Yes dear students. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And we are having 51 terms. 50, 49. So now what we have to find? We have to find 20th term from last. From last. What will be it? Students, 20th term from last will be total number of terms are 51, and we have to find 20th term means we will subtract 20, but we will add 1. Why we will add 1? Because जो भी टर्म है वो यहाँ से भी काउंट हो रही है, यहाँ से भी काउंट हो रही है, हम उसको 2 टाइम्स काउंट कर रहे हैं. That's why we are adding 1. If यहाँ से हम 20 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमें वहाँ मिल जाएगी 21st टर्म. सो 20th टर्म फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? 20 सब्ट्रैक्ट करके उसके अंदर 1 ऐड कर देंगे. सपोज देयर आर 10 स्टूडेंट्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and I want to find fifth student from last, then 10 minus 5, we will get 5. Then count this, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then it will be 6 students. So that's why we will add 1 in this, so that we can get exact number. So we will add this 1 in this question here. So 51 minus 20, we will get 31, and plus 1 we will get 32. मीन्स हमें यहाँ से जो 20th टर्म निकाली लास्ट से वो हमारी 32 टर्म होगी. सो वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ A32, and A32 is equal to A plus 31D, and this A is, what is the value of A? 3 plus 31 into 5, 3 plus 5 ones are 5, 5 is a 15, we will get 158. I am repeating this concept beta from here up to this point. I think there is no doubt. Now 20th term from last. As I have taken one example, suppose there are 10 students in a row and I want 5th student from last. Then first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Our 5th student is that student which is on 6th place from first, and we want 5th student. So what we will do? We will subtract this 5 from 10. 10 में से हम 5 subtract करेंगे, हमें क्या मिलेगा? 5th. लेकिन जो 5th है वो तो लास्ट से 6th पोजीशन पे है. So that we will add 1 in this 5, we will get 6. So in the same way, while we getting 20th term from last, we will add 1 in this, and it will be 51 minus 20 plus 1 means 31 plus 1 means 32. So A32 we have to find. A32 will equal to A plus 31D, and what is the value of A? 3 plus 31 into D means 5. 3 plus 155, we will get 158. There is one more method for doing this question. I am explaining that method also. So friends, we have to find the 20th term from last. So reverse this AP. इस AP को reverse कर दो. 253, 13, 8, 3. So in this case, our first term A will be 253 and is 20. We have to find D. D के लिए हम किन्हीं भी दो consecutive terms का difference find out कर सकते हैं. We can take last two terms. 3 minus 8. We will get minus 5. हम last term, next term में से ही previous term को subtract करते हैं, and in this our next term is 3 and previous term is 8. We can subtract this 8 from 3, but we will get minus 5. So here we have to find the value of A20. This A20 will equal to A plus 19D, and A is 253 plus 19 into D is minus 5. Yes dear students, what I have done, I have reversed the AP. This is second method of 17th question. हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे AP को reverse कर देंगे. On reversing the AP, what we will get? 243 and up to 13, 8 and 3. So in this case, this 253 will be our first term and 3 will be our last term. Yes or no? So, but we have to find the value of 20th term. Then D is equal to 3 minus 8, or we can find 8 minus 13. We will get the same value, minus 5. Now we have to find the value of A20, and A20 is equal to A plus 19D. What is the value of A in this case? 253 plus 19 into minus 5 means 253 plus minus minus 19 5s are 95. Now on subtracting, 13 minus 5, 8. 4 is remainder. Then we can't subtract 9 from 4. Then we will take borrow. 14 minus 9, 5. What is left? 1. 158. So by both methods our answer is same. You can choose any of method which you want, but both methods are very easy. This is our question number 17.